What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an exciting video for me to be making, and it's an exciting week because I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes of what it takes for me to actually plan and then film and then publish a workout video to YouTube. I'm sure a lot of people think it's really easy. All you do is just film a workout and then chuck it up onto YouTube, but there is so much more that goes into it than that. So if you've been thinking about starting a fitness YouTube channel, then this is a perfect video for you. Like I said, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of all of the planning, filming, and then publishing stages of making a workout video. So the first part of the process is the planning stage, and every single month I put out a workout calendar for all of my YouTube community, but it's also something that helps me stay on track with what kind of workouts I'm going to create for that month. So I've already done keyword research around workout video titles and ideas that are going to be a really good fit for my YouTube channel and hopefully get me found in search, but also be good workout videos that my community wants to see and watch as well. Once the initial planning and research is done, I move on to writing the workout formats for each of the 8 videos that I have planned for the month, so that I can batch record the introduction and the outro for each of those videos, so that I don't have to do my hair and makeup and set up my lights and audio, because that setup is entirely different to how I film my actual workout videos. This morning I've written all of those workout formats. Now it's time to get to filming those intros and outros, so let's go and get ready to film.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see.
Hey there, Penny here. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday. It's around about 6:30 in the morning. That's why I'm looking so fabulous. I haven't showered or got ready yet, but we are filming today. It's about 2 days since we did all the planning, the intros and outros, and now we are going to film one of the workouts. Full body HIIT workout is on the schedule today. As I said, I've already done the workout structure and format for that, so now all I have to do is select the exercises I'm going to use and then put those into a workout format. So I'm going to have a little bit of brekkie, I'm going to watch a little bit of YouTube, and then I'm going to plan out the session, get ready, and then film. So let's do that.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven.
Getting our camera bag ready to take down to the studio, aren't we guys? So we've got our camera, I've got some batteries for my lights, also got to have a water bottle, and we've got to have puppy treats, don't we? All right, let's go. So we're currently in my studio, we're getting ready to film the workout. The first thing that I have to do is shoot the thumbnails. So I've pulled my usual set apart, and I'm going to use this plain blank wall behind me. It's just going to give me the best possible lighting situation to shoot the thumbnail. Then I'll put all of that back together. I've got to write the workout out and then do a practice through of the workout. I'm going to switch over to my phone to give you guys a bit of a look of me taking the actual thumbnail shots, and then we'll get into the actual filming.
This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame.
Just finished writing the workout out, and now we are going to do a practice video and then actually film the workout. we are probably another 20 minutes away from actually pressing record on the real workout video. So let's keep moving. Okay, so I'm just about to do a test video before I actually press record and start filming the entire workout. This way I know if there's anything in the shot that shouldn't be there, just to make sure the shot is nice and aligned and not crooked. And it also gives me another opportunity to like warm up and go through the movement. So even though I've got it written down, I kind of know without having to think too hard what the next movement in the sequence is. So yeah, let's get to it.
Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us.
Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna look through the footage, like I said, make sure nothing is crooked, it's all nice and aligned, there's nothing in there that shouldn't be in there. And then I'm going to do a last minute toilet stop, have a sip of water, and then get stuck into it. Workout is done. I ended up doing the strength workout that I was going to film tomorrow instead today. So that workout was an hour, plus I filmed the modifications afterwards. So it probably took me about an hour and a half for that workout total. Now it's time to pack up the studio, and then I will upload all of my footage to my computer so I can send it off to my video editor. While that's all happening, I'm gonna have some lunch and I'll check in with you guys later.
Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with it.
Okay, back in the office again. I'm just about to transfer over the workout recordings that I just filmed onto my computer and then into Drive, and I send all of those Drive links plus a workout description to my video editor. I don't actually edit my videos anymore. I actually have a video editor, and I can talk about that in another video if you guys would like. Please drop me a comment and let me know. So while all of those videos are transferring over onto my computer, I put my workout description together. I also select my workout playlist, and I get all of my music from Epidemic Sound, and I'll put a link to Epidemic for you guys to do a 30-day trial in the description below. While that's all happening as well, I usually have lunch because it does take a while for it all to transfer over. So there's another couple of hours of work to go before this video is kind of finished and then sent off to the video editor, and then he'll return it in a couple of days for me to review. I'll send it back and tell him if there's any changes or fix-ups that I need, and then we can get it ready to publish. My video is back from the editor. I've already reviewed it. There was no changes that needed to be made, so it's good to go, good to be uploaded to YouTube. To be successful on YouTube and to grow your channel, to get people to view your videos, you need to promote your videos. So when I get my videos edited, I also get my editor to create a teaser video that I can use on Facebook, and I also get him to cut up some of the exercises into slides so that I can create a carousel post for Instagram and also for Pinterest. And then I use all of those platforms to drive traffic back to my YouTube video. So there's no point in creating an awesome workout video if no one's going to see it. So when you're in the editing process, it's really important to think about how you can repurpose that content to promote your workout video across multiple platforms. So now that I've got all of that sorted, we're going to jump over into Canva to create the thumbnail for the video so we can upload the video to YouTube, add our thumbnail, our tags and descriptions, and then we are good to publish. The thumbnail for the video is complete. Now it's time to upload this to YouTube and schedule the video for publishing. So I've already uploaded the video to YouTube. Now I'm just gonna add the thumbnail. So I'm gonna click on the video details. Down here, I can add the thumbnail. There we go, my thumbnail has been added. Now I'm gonna add my title, my description I worked on the other day, and then fill in all the rest of the details. The playlist, I'm gonna select all of my tags. then we will get the video scheduled for publishing. The video is all ready to go. I've got it scheduled. The final piece of the puzzle is promoting the video once it goes live. The video has been scheduled. Now it's all about promoting the video. So I like to promote the video in advance, even though it hasn't gone live. I use Instagram stories and YouTube stories to talk about the video and get people excited. I also like to use the little countdown feature in Instagram stories to do a countdown to the video. Then once the video has gone live, I use those additional content pieces I had created for me to promote the video across multiple platforms so that I drive lots of views to my video and hopefully increase my subscribers as well. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at what it takes to create a workout video from start to finish. If you like this style of video, you're gonna love the next one I have coming out. I'm gonna be talking all about how much money YouTube pays me as a small fitness video creator. So make sure you've subscribed, you've got that notification bell turned on so you find out when that one gets published. And until then, make sure you check out these videos next so you get even more tips and tricks on how to grow your fitness business online using YouTube and socials.